St. Lucie County's Erosion District wrapped up a beach renourishment project along 3.3 miles of South Hutchinson Island from Normandy Beach to the Martin County line. Permitted by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, contractor Great Lakes Dredge and Dock out of Jacksonville, Florida, placed roughly 480,000 cubic yards of sand on the beach using offshore floating pipes and heavy equipment to help stabilize the shoreline. This federally approved beach renourishment project took place during April, with crews working 7 days a week, 24 hours a day to lessen the impact on sea turtle nesting. Sea turtle monitoring took place daily within the construction area. All sea turtle nests laid within the proposed project area were relocated outside the project by a qualified environmental consultant working with Ecological Associates per our state and federal permits. Roughly 35% of this $11.3 million project was funded through state and federal contributions. The planting of native dune vegetation consisting of sea oats, railroad vine, and dune sunflowers was also included in the project to help naturally stabilize the sand. Brightline, the high-speed train project running from Miami to Orlando, has updated its intersection closings on North Causeway, A1A Fort Pierce, which is taking place now through May 16th. That intersection will be down to a single lane with multiple lane closures throughout this period. One lane will be open in each direction for the majority of the work schedule. Flaggers will be present at all times. Pedestrian traffic will be allowed through. However, there will be a full closure of the railroad crossing between Old Dixie Highway and Harbortown Drive on Monday, May 2nd from 6 p.m. to Tuesday, May 3rd at 6 a.m. Traffic during this one-day closure will be diverted to Vero Beach. The work will bring necessary crossing improvements, including new railroad crossing signals, crossing gates, pedestrian gates, and roadway asphalt improvements in preparation for the additional second railroad track. Those impacted by the crossing work are encouraged to sign up for Brightline updates by texting A1A to 888-384-0037. Pecos Road has reopened following an emergency order to replace a collapsed culvert that failed in December. Haley Engineering Contractors, FDOT's contractor on the Kings Highway project, was awarded the contract to perform the work to help expedite this closure since the vendor was already mobilized on site. The culvert replacement work was subcontracted to a local contractor, Johnson Davis, Inc. While Pecos Road has reopened to traffic, the final completion of this project is expected by the middle of July. Work continues on the $1 million roadway improvement project on Seminole Road. Crews are installing a guardrail and millings as part of the county's effort to reduce maintenance costs and improve safety. The 2.5-mile project from Indrio Road to Immokalee Road will include the realignment of the road with drainage and utility modifications. The project should be completed in August of this year. Contractors working on this project include TSI and South Florida Land Clearing. Swale maintenance continues as the water quality staff works to get ahead of the rainy season, including work along the Melville Road stormwater treatment area and portions of Indian River Estates and Lakewood Park. Swale maintenance is scheduled through the end of May and will resume again in October.